All right, boys and girls, practice 5 of chapter 19 math, the big final chapter. Here we go. So let's look at numbers 1, 2, and 3 here. This is perimeter. So we're going to measure the sides of each figure with a ruler, then find the perimeter. So I'm going to start by measuring this longer side right here. So I'm going to use my little ruler here. And I see that that is 2 inches. All right, this one is 2 inches, and this one is also 2 inches. This one is 1 inch. So we're going to have 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 1 inch equals 5 inches. And inches is there for us, which is kind of nice. All right, number 2. This is kind of cool. This line here is the same exact as this one. So there's 2 inches. And this line going across horizontally is 3 inches. So it's kind of like saying 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. All right. And that equals 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so 10 inches. Number 3, now be careful, this time it's centimeters, not inches. So when we're doing this one by centimeters, you'll see that each one is 3 centimeters long. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 15 centimeters. All right. Number 4, it says complete, find the perimeter of each figure. Remember to show the correct unit. This time, we're not measuring it, it's done for us, but we do need to include what unit we're using, okay, unit of measurement. So perimeter of this one, now you guys know that this is the same as this, right? So this is also 6 centimeters from here to here. This is 4 centimeters from there to there. So this is like saying 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4, right? So 6 plus 4 is 10, and this 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20. Now be careful, remember 20 centimeters. Don't forget your centimeters in there. And this one kind of looks like a square, doesn't it? 7 and 7 and 7 and 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 7 is also 14. 14 plus 14 is 28 inches. This time it's inches, not centimeters, okay? Number 6. 20 feet by 3 feet. Okay, so 20 plus 3 plus 20 plus 3. So 23 plus 23 equals 46 feet. Okay. Number 7, very similar to number 5, right? Except it's meters, I guess, instead of inches. But we went 7 by 7 by 7 by 7. This time it's 8 times 8, or 8 by 8 by 8 by 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32 meters. Okay. Complete, find the perimeter of each figure. Remember to show the correct unit in your answer. So we have a 5 and a 6 and a 7. So we're going to add 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 7 more is 18. So the perimeter of this triangle is 18 centimeters. The perimeter of 9 right here, we have 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 5 is 15, and 3 is 18. 18 inches. Very good. 18 inches for number 9. 10, 15, 9, 7, 10, 9. So this is going to be a little trickier to add, but if you add 15 and you add 10, there's 25, and almost another 10 is 34, and almost another 10 is 43, and 7 is 50. 50 feet. Again, 15, 10, 25. It's almost like 10 and 10 with 9, right? So it's like saying 20 or 18. So 25 plus 20 would equal 45. Take away the 1 and a 1 is 43, plus the 7 is 50 feet. All right, let's do 11. Here we go, 12, 9, 4, 6, 6. Well, I see 6 and 4 is 10. 9 and 6 is 15. So there's 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. Okay? Again, 10 plus 15 is 25. Plus 12 is 37. Meters. Thank you. Don't forget that. Right? Okay, 12. Use your ruler or a measuring tape to find the perimeter of each figure or object. So, cover of your workbook, piece of paper, you're going to have to kind of do that on your own there, okay? But if you check out figure A in centimeters, the total for all of that in centimeters is going to be 24. Again, 24 centimeters for all of that. Now, if you're looking at B, it wants you to do it in inches, okay? And this is going to be 6 inches, okay? 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 plus 1 is 6. All right, 13. Meter, foot, you can do that. They're going to be different. Just do your best. I tend to count off my foot is almost exactly a foot with shoes. So you can kind of count it off. If you have tape measure, a yardstick, a ruler, go ahead and figure it out. Put your stuff in there, okay? And let's go down here to number 14. Sean walks along the edge of a rectangular field once to look for his lost keychain. How far does he walk? I hope he finds his keychain. So again, 10 plus 8 is also 10 plus 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 18 equals 36 meters. Okay, meters. 15. Alyssa wants to decorate this birthday card by pasting ribbon around it. What is the length of ribbon she needs? Well, this is 12 plus 7, and this is 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 19 equals 38 centimeters. All right. All right, 16. Owen has 2 square cardboard pieces. Each side is 6 inches long. He places them side by side to make a rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So when we're looking at this, we know this is 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 sixes. Okay? 6 times 6 is 36 inches. Or 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30, plus 6 is 36. 6 sixes is 36 inches. Okay? Number 17. Theo wraps tape around the top of this rectangular box twice. Okay? What is the length of sticky tape he uses? So we have 30 plus 18, okay, and that equals 48. And then we have 30 plus 18, which is also 48. And then the total perimeter, 48 plus 48 equals 96. So 96 centimeters to wrap around the box once. Did I catch you? No? You guys are getting way too good. So we need to then, 96 is just time around once, right? So 30, 30, 60, there's 78, and another 18 here is 96. So now we're going to go around twice. So now we're adding 96 plus 96. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus the other one is 19. So 192 centimeters. Again, 192 centimeters. Okay, 18. Each student in a group glued a string around a square with a side of 12 centimeters. There are 5 students in the group. What was the total length of string they used? So we have 12 plus 12, which is 24. And then we have 24 plus 24, which equals 48. And then we have 5 kids do that, right? So 48 times 5, right? So I'm going to do it the long way. Let's see, 48 times 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 4 more is 24. So that is 240 centimeters. Or let's try this way. Instead of doing 48 times 5, let's do 24 times 10. Oh, that's way easier. 24 times 10 is 240 centimeters. Yeah, just add the 0 at the end. Why didn't I just do that to start with? Jeez Louise. Okay, 240 centimeters. Or I guess you could go 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. So there's 100, 250, and then you take away 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 240. I don't care how you do it. Good job getting it done. Hopefully you did it in a way that works for you. Okay? All right. The length of a rectangular hall, here's the length, is 4 times its width. If the perimeter of the hall is 20 meters, find the length and width of the hall. So here's the hall, right? And we need to count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if we have 20 meters and we section that off into those 10 equal parts, so 20 divided by 10 equals 2 meters. Okay, so the width is 2 meters. Each one of these is 2 meters. So that's the width. Okay, now the length is that 2 meters times 4, because it's 4 times its width. 2 times 4 is 8. So the length is 8 meters, and the width is 2 meters. Okay? Number 20. Last one. We're going to do the same thing, basically here. And 4 square tables are arranged next to each other to form a large rectangular table. The perimeter of the large rectangular table is 20 meters. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, 10 equal sides, right? So 20, again, 20 divided by 10 is 2 meters. So each one of these pieces is 2 meters, okay? But it says, what is the perimeter of each square table? Well, if this is 2 meters, and this is 2 meters, and this is 2 meters, and that's 2 meters, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the perimeter of each square table? It's 8 meters. All right, boys and girls, you did it. That was it right there. Awesome work. Practice number 5, chapter 19. All right, it's sunny, so I'm done. Let's get outside, let's get active, and let's get busy, okay? Have some fun, kids.